Is that a fish holding another fish? Wait, I'm not even. Nice. That is not nearly as flattering an angle as you think it is. I'm so sorry. Hello.
Oh, what are you doing?
I need to pull focus. God, hold still. You're moving too fast. There we go. Look at this man. How does that taste?
Very good.
Thank you.
Tastes like fish.
Hey-o. Look at this bird.
Hang on, this one.
Seiko, I hear you have a criminally large ass. Would you like to make comments?
Right here by the trash, where I belong.
Right by the trash?
My dumpy by the trash. Places. Oh, molestation, man. Super Bowl events.
Popular with the kids. Ah, that's romantic.
This is so hard.
I haven't seen your suit. Oh, where did he go? There he is. Nah, dude. I'm mad about it. He's punching me.
Team, you ever let the shit out of you?
He's killing me.
My hollow bones are fucking you up. Full tap.
How could you?
Carrot.
Wait here.
Cause I can go ham boning. What?
I gotta get it. There we go. Brr.
Oh no.
Oh, going wide angle. Right. No.
Oh my god.
What are you taking a picture
I
of?
can't hit the button.
I'm kidding.
Make turkey to them. This is mine isn't.
It's like the limpest floss I've ever seen.
You just got flocked.
I got flocked.
Flock off.
He's flocking me.
Don't make fun of me.
You keep yelling at me for yawning.
It's a full moon outside, and I keep forgetting things.
If you are a tall suitor, please stand on the tiled area. If you are a short suitor, please stand on the wooded area. Get close
Take the
to
camera.
all
What? Oh.